This video provides an overview of HR Centers of Excellence, or COEs. Link timecodes for these topics appear in the YouTube description for this video. The HR COEs are part of a data model that allows HR to organize work by functional disciplines. This data model consists of 7 tables that extend the HR case core table. These tables are HR Employee Relations for disciplinary issues and inquiries, HR Lifecycle Events for onboarding, offboarding, and employee transitions, HR Payroll for all payroll-related inquiries, HR Talent Management for requesting travel visas, non-disclosure agreements, background checks or drug screens, or work visa transfers, HR Total Rewards for benefits-related requests, HR Workforce Administration for updating employee profiles or providing verification letters or relocation assistance, and HR IT Operations for HR account requests and inquiries, HR portal support, password resets, and reports. What are the benefits of having COEs? First, by separating these functional areas, you can configure data, services, and processes on each COE. For example, payroll requires different fields of information and process flows than total rewards. Second, additional security can be configured on each COE to limit access to a particular department or group of HR agents. For example, you can restrict employee relations cases to agents within that department due to the sensitive nature of the information. Third, COEs promote consistency for metrics and reporting as the HR service drives how the case is categorized and in what COE or case table the case is created. Fourth, COEs help to drive automation by defining requests down to the service level. Knowledge of the service allows the cases to be automatically routed and assigned appropriately, as well as leverage automated intelligence capabilities. So how does the COE data model work? Let's take a closer look at a COE hierarchy to see, using the HR Payroll COE as our example. The Payroll COE contains multiple topic categories, one of which is payroll administration. This topic category contains a topic detail, direct deposit, with a number of HR services tied to it, paycheck discrepancy, direct deposit setup, and direct deposit inquiry. These services correspond to the services that employees can select in the Employee Service Center and that HR agents can select from in the case creation form. The HR service drives how the case is categorized and in what COE case table the case is created. This takes the guesswork out of figuring out how to categorize a case or which COE to pick, as well as promoting consistency for metrics and reporting. For these reasons, we don't recommend having just one general HR service. Now let's look at configuring and using the COE model. For each COE, you define your topic categories and topic details here in these modules. For example, when we open the Payroll Administration topic category, we can see the topic details in this category. And we can set up a new topic detail right here. When we click into a topic detail, we see the 2 HR services set up for it, Direct Deposit Inquiry and Direct Deposit Setup. When you create a new HR service, you select the appropriate topic detail, and the topic category and COE linked to that topic detail are auto-populated. Someone in your organization may request a new COE to meet a business requirement. How should you handle this? The structure and flexibility of the delivered COE model should make creating a new COE unnecessary. If you do get such a request, analyze the business requirement driving the request. Here's an example of how you can meet a business requirement without creating a custom COE. A business unit would like to offer services to its employees for submitting policy and compliance inquiries. Typically, requests around policy and compliance are handled by either HR Operations or Employee Relations. Let's say for this example, the HR Operations group handles these types of requests. This can easily be configured in the delivered COE model. In the base system, we already have a topic category, HR Operations, that's tied to the HR Workforce Administration COE. Now let's just create a topic detail for this topic category, Compliance and Policies. Now we can create HR services for this topic detail, such as Compliance Policy Inquiry Service, and configure these services to meet the requested business requirement. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.